To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
We're moving on now, shifting our focus to Karnataka. Amid the leadership change buzz in Karnataka, adding to the speculations is the Delhi-Karnataka CM and Deputy Chief Minister's visit. Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar has arrived in Delhi today, while Siddaramaiah is expected to be in the national capital tomorrow. So while official statements downplay the visit's political significance, speculation is rife within party circles on what could this mean. The Chief Minister has stated he is heading to the capital to meet Defence Minister Rajnath Singh regarding the Dussehra celebrations in Mysuru, seeking central support. While D.K. Shivakumar has claimed his Delhi visit is aimed at holding meetings with union ministers over developmental projects in Karnataka.
No, we have a meeting with the Forest Minister and Environment, Forest and Environment Minister, Mr. Yadav, then Mr. Patil, Irrigation Minister, connected to Karnataka projects. So I think after that, tomorrow I'll be meeting all my legal experts of the Irrigation Department and the Urban Development.
Timing of the parallel visits amid rumours of an internal power tussle has only added fuel to fire about a potential leadership change in the state. Remember, recently the High Command had also deputed Randeep Surjewala to Karnataka to meet the MLAs individually, and despite the Congress claiming all is well, its own MLAs have been demanding a change, with some even going on to say that D.K. Shivakumar should become the Chief Minister for better administration in the state. Now that both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are going to be in the national capital, they're both, of course, citing different reasons. But, everybody is at the moment looking at this situation in Karnataka and the national capital. And according to many, there for sure is going to be some sort of a change, some sort of a shuffle that is going to take place. And that, in fact, what the MLAs of the Congress party in Karnataka are also talking about. The BJP has hit out at the Karnataka government for constant focus on internal rift and not development. Now the visit comes after Randeep Surjewala had visited the state and met several MLAs. What's added to the mystery is the speculation that Siddaramaiah could be appointed to the OBC panel of the AICC, a central role which the BJP sees as a clear indication that decks are being cleared for D.K. Shivakumar to become the Chief Minister in the state. But not just have MLAs been speaking of a leadership change. Top seers in Karnataka have also been pitching for D.K. Shivakumar as the Chief Minister. The latest was Lingayat seer Rambapuri Jagadguru, who has heaped praises on the Deputy Chief Minister, calling for him to get a higher position. In a clear message to the High Command, the seer said the High Command should take a decision and put the matter to rest, as the entire state was aware of the efforts D.K. Shivakumar had put for the party in the elections.
ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ನಂತರ ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪಕ್ಷ ಜಯಭೇರಿ ಆದ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಲಿ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಒಳ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಏನು ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ ಒಳ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರಿಗೆ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೊರತು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಏನು ಒಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರ ಸಮ್ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಥ ಒಡಂಬಡಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರೆ ಆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, there are those within the camp who are saying that for better administration, there should be a leadership change. Now that D.K. Shivakumar is already in the national capital and the Chief Minister is also going to be here soon, what really is the reason behind the visit?
Well, yes, indeed. Now the DCM DK Shivkumar has already arrived in the national capital. He also had a meeting with the Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav in the national capital today. And in the evening, there is a meeting scheduled with the Union Minister C.R. Patil regarding the water resources issue. And for that reason, he is currently also holding with the state officials regarding this entire matter. But on the other side, we have also seen that how in the past there were several demands which have been raised by the various Congress MLAs to change the leadership in the state of Karnataka. And tomorrow there is also going to be a visit of the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, in the national capital, which has once again fueled all of these rumors which are currently going on for the leadership change in the state of Karnataka, as in the past as well, when General Secretary of Karnataka Congress, Randeep Singh Surjewala, had a meeting with various state MLAs. There was a discussion which has also taken place, and it was being told to us by our sources that there is a possibility of a cabinet reshuffle very soon in the state, as Randeep Singh Surjewala has also taken a report of the work which has been done by the state government, whether they have been successful in fulfilling the promises and the guarantees which were being given to the people of Karnataka or not. And if any minister has failed to fulfill his responsibilities, then there is a possibility of any kind of change in the cabinet of the Karnataka. But on the other side, whether the leadership is going to be changed or not, that is really interesting to be seen, because both the DCM and the CM are going to be in the national capital. Whether there is going to be any meeting with the High Command or not, that is still expected, because as of now there is no confirmation which has come on the part of the Congress High Command of any kind of meeting with the Karnataka Chief Minister or the Deputy Chief Minister regarding this entire issue. But clearly there is a chance that Congress High Command will also have a conversation with both of these leaders to sort things out, because it has also given an opportunity to the BJP to
So discussion on power tussle could take place, you're saying. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Let's once again listen into what DK Shivakumar said about his visit to the national capital.
No, I have a meeting with the Forest Minister and Environment, Forest and Environment Minister, Mr. Yadav, then Mr. Patil, Irrigation Minister, connected to Karnataka irrigation projects. So I think after that, tomorrow I'll be meeting all my legal experts of the irrigation department and the urban development.